Hey guys, let's talk about the MetaMask wallet. In order to maneuver your way around the world of crypto and make money online with cryptocurrency, you're going to have a digital wallet. That's right, just like a physical wallet, a digital wallet gives you a place where you can store all of your cryptocurrency, or probably what you refer to as your tokens or coins. Now, not only that, but it's going to give you the opportunity to connect all the different games, projects, and investment tools out there to buy, trade, and earn passive income. Now, there's a lot of different wallets to choose from out there, but one of the most widely accepted and most commonly used is the MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to download it and get you up and running in just a matter of minutes. Let's do it. What's up, guys? Tom with Income Creation Club. Let's get you up and rolling with your own free MetaMask wallet. Also for free, in the description below, I'll have references and links to everything in this video. I've also got some cool bonuses for you as well. So let's get rolling and get you your own free MetaMask wallet. All right, guys, now MetaMask wallet is so easy to install. You can install it on both a computer or your smartphones. And in fact, it's supported on both Apple and Android. But for today, we're going to put it on a computer. And so we're going to go up to the Chrome browser, and in the address bar, we're going to put in metamask.io. So type metamask.io in your Chrome browser. Now you can use several different browsers, and I'll show you what browsers are supported here in just a second. But for today, for this video, we're going to use Chrome as the browser. It's just an easy example to use. So we've got metamask.io pulled up, and here is the homepage. Now there's a lot of stuff you can read and go through. You can scroll through the homepage. For Chrome, they've got an easy download for Chrome button right here to the left. I'm going to show you those other options that are available to you by going up here to the blue download button up here to the right. So click on the blue download button. You'll see that Chrome is supported, as well as iOS for Apple and Android. And you can click that and toggle through those. You can install MetaMask on Chrome, but here's those additional supported browsers. You've got Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. And again, for today, we're just going to use Chrome for easy sake. So I'm going to install it on Chrome. We're going to hit the Add Chrome button, Add Extension. Now, videos will pop up. I highly recommend you watch these videos. MetaMask provides a lot of great, good information. So watch those videos. Now, we're going to hit Agree. This is your crazy little MetaMask fox here, likes to watch everything. Once you click that, it's going to give you Help Us Improve MetaMask. It's going to tell you what they will and will not do. One of the most important things is they will never share your keys, addresses, transaction hashes, or balances. They'll never give your full IP address, and they'll never sell your data. And they allow you to opt out at any time. So we're going to hit Agree. Now we're going to put in a password. I don't care if this is weak, because we are going to delete this as soon as I'm done doing this video. So you can try to steal everything you want, but it's not going to do you any good because there won't be anything on it. This is about securing your wallet. This is a 1.5-minute video, and it is one of the most important 1.5-minute videos that you should watch. Very important, because you're about to get a secret code of phrases or words that you need to write down in a very important place and store in a very important secure place, and never give them out to anybody, because if you do, they'll have access to your wallet. They can download your wallet onto their computer and get access to everything you've got. So want to make sure you secure your wallet. And in fact, MetaMask says, what is a secret recovery phrase? Your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. How do I save my secret recovery phrase? Save in a password manager. I highly recommend you do not do that, because if somebody gets a hold of your computer and they click on your password manager, they have access to that, they're going to have easy access to that key phrase. I like the second two. Store it in a security safety deposit box, or write it down and put it in multiple secret places. I mean, if your house burned down and you had, $100,000 in crypto on your wallet, and you had to go download this on a new computer, and you don't have that secret recovery phrase or those words, you're going to be out $100,000 in cryptocurrency. So that's how important this is. You go out boating on the weekend, and your boat or your wallet, your phone ends up in the river with your wallet on it. You're going to be out if you don't have those secret recovery phrases. Because once you get back home and you go buy a new phone and you go to download the MetaMask wallet, it's going to ask you for these secret recovery words. And if you don't have them, you're going to be out any crypto that you have purchased and put on that wallet. Should I share my secret recovery phrase? Never, ever, ever. If there are a lot of scammers out there and they're going to ask you and try to trick you up to try to get that secure recovery seed phrase, do not ever, ever, ever do that. I hope I've driven home the point on that. So now we're going to hit secure my wallet, and we're going to get our recovery phrase, and it's going to reveal it here. So we're going to click on reveal. And I don't care if you guys see this, because again, we are going to delete this after the video. But once we click on that, it's going to show us our recovery words, and it's going to give us 12 of them. And we're going to need to write these down and put them in a secure place. This is what we were talking about. Save in a password manager. Again, I don't recommend that. Save in a safety deposit box and write it down and put it in multiple secure places. Those two I highly recommend. So I'm going to pause the video. We're going to write these down, and then we'll come back and hit the next step. All right, so I'm back from writing down my secret recovery words, and I've written them down on a piece of paper that I would put in a very secure place. I might even make a copy of it and put it in 2 different secure places, or put it in a safety security deposit box. Now we're going to hit the next button, and it's going to ask us to fill in the missing words. Now, this is easy for right now. They ask you for a few different words, but if you were to lose your wallet or your computer or your phone, and you had to recover your secret recovery phrases, they're going to ask you for all 12 of these. So for now, they're just asking for a couple. So number 3 was goose. We're going to put in that. Number 4 was cannon. And number 8 was anger. Okay. We confirm it. We've got it. We hit next. We're done. It says we can enable security alerts. You can do that later. Enable NFT auto detection. You can do that later. And here you are. This is your MetaMask wallet as an extension on your computer. All right, so now you've got your MetaMask wallet up and running on your computer, maybe your cell phone or both, and you're ready to go out and conquer the world of crypto. If you thought this video was helpful, let me know in the comments below. And you also might want to check out this video as well. Until we meet again, Crypto Warriors, I'll catch you on the next one.